Welcome to the brand new 2021 GMC Sierra 1500 Elevation. The Elevation truck's powered by a 5.3 liter V8 engine and made it up to a 8-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the vehicle: power windows, locks, mirrors, drivability dial, push button 4x4 and automatic headlights and fog lights, a leather wrapped heated steering wheel with cruise control and audio control, column shifter, push button ignition. We have a nice large 8-inch touchscreen with Apple Carplay and Android Auto, dual zone climate control with heated front seats. We have the integrated trailer braking system as well as dual USB ports. We have an outlet up front, all black interior, Bose audio as well, and your heated cloth seats in the front of the new Elevation. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Elevation Sierra, we do have the 20-inch wheel and tire package, alloy wheels with the Goodyear Wrangler Trail Runner AT tires, color matched door handles with keyless entry all around, Elevation on the front door, 5.3 liter V8 on the front fender. Coming to the front of the truck, we have a LED daytime running lamps, fog lights, color matched front bumper and grille. Making our way to the back, rear tinted privacy windows, remote start, X31 off-road package. At the rear of the truck, we have a color matched rear bumper, dual chrome exhaust tips, trailer tow package, and the GM Multi-Pro tailgate. Taking a quick look at the interior of the vehicle, second row, we have the cloth 60/40 split. Both end seats have in-seat storage and are car seat ready. We have a sliding rear window with defrost, extra headroom over top and LED lighting, as well as a single pane sunroof and dual USB ports in the rear center console. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2021 GMC Sierra. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.